It was a day of emotional testimony in the Adam Montgomery trial, with his estranged wife and Harmony's stepmother taking the stand.
Kayla Montgomery is considered the prosecution's key witness. Former County Attorney Patricia LaFrance joins us live now to give us some analysis of all of this. And Patricia, we heard Kayla Montgomery go through graphic details today of Harmony's death. It got emotional at times. How do juries handle tough days like this?
Yeah, I mean, the juries know when they appear for jury selection, they know exactly what to expect. I think, obviously they're given very clear instructions about what the case is, and they probably know about the case and they are prepared. So I think they kind of prepare themselves for the testimony, but of course it's hard not to be emotional, and particularly in this case where he has essentially admitted to at least abuse of the corpse. I think they maybe allow themselves to show a little bit more emotion when they hear testimony about the way her body was disposed of.
And Kayla Montgomery previously pleaded guilty to perjury for lying to a grand jury about where and when she last saw Harmony. How will that affect how the jury views her testimony now?
Yeah, well, they have to, weigh that, of course, against her explanation about why she lied. And I thought her testimony was compelling, and she did have some documentation to support her testimony about why she initially lied. So, they're going to have to weigh her perjury conviction versus what her testimony was about why she lied in the first place.
Now, in the opening statements, the defense alleged Kayla was the one responsible for Harmony's death. So how did their cross-examination today fit with that accusation?
Yeah, I mean, their goal is to paint Kayla Montgomery as a liar. I don't think there were any giant points made. I think they did drive home the point about how many times she lied to the grand jury. So, they kind of, from what I saw, went through kind of line by line and lie by lie, and just kind of, again, drove home that point. But I didn't see any real big revelations made by her. But, they did a slow and steady cross-examination just to point out just the magnitude of how many times she lied.
Patricia LaFrance, thank you so much for joining us. We always appreciate your analysis.
You're welcome.